Hi everyone, it's Dr. Ashley. I just wanted to show you what would look like if your child or you have a fever and need to come in, might have some respiratory symptoms. This is the protective equipment we need to wear as providers. You'll see I've got my face shield on, my N95 mask, and my lovely fashionable gown. Hopefully you won't have to see us like this, but if you do, great to show your kids before you come in so they know what we look like and they know it's just us under here. All right, stay well. Thanks.